Ladies and gentlemen,
Happy New Year, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am going to be doing an Eagles makeup tutorial. I completely forgot that I was doing NFL inspired makeup looks. In case it's your first time watching me, I'm not into football. I like doing makeup, and I remember one time my boyfriend asked me to do a Cowboys inspired makeup look because he likes the Cowboys. And then from there on, I just kept doing different football teams, and today I'm going to be doing the Eagles. I did create a playlist of different teams that I've done in the past. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll go ahead and link it up here. I'm going to continue to do this segment that I started, so I'm going to get through all of the teams. My son was actually born in Pennsylvania, and my boyfriend does not like the Eagles because he's like a Cowboys fan. I think that that's their biggest rival. I don't know anything about football. But my friend sent this over for my son. She lives in Pennsylvania, and she sent this over to him. And when he opened it up, my boyfriend was like, what the hell? I just been loving beanies, and I wanted to put it on and just go with the moment. Doesn't it look cute? I think if I had to like pick a football team, I think the Eagles would be my football team because my boyfriend doesn't like them, and I don't like making life easy for him. If you guys want to see what look I come up with doing the Eagles inspired makeup look, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm gonna be playing around with two different eyeshadow palettes today because of course I don't have every color for the teams that I'm doing in one palette, so I have to mix it up between two palettes today. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This one is their 40 eyeshadow palette that kind of did mimic James Charles's eyeshadow palette, but this is $20, you guys, for 40 eyeshadows. If you guys have the James Charles palette, I'm sure you guys can follow along. What I do not have in this palette is a gray eyeshadow, so for this I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. This one we received in BoxyCharm a year ago or so, and it's from Pretty Vulgar. I'm going to be going into After Midnight, which is the dark gray right here. I might need a lighter gray actually because it's pretty light right here, right? I don't have an eyeshadow that's freaking gray. Why don't companies make gray eyeshadows? I already primed my lids using the Benefit Boing concealer. I put it all over my lids. It's starting to kind of crease, so we gotta move faster. So let's dive into these eyeshadows. Since this color is a little bit too deep, I'm gonna go into this one here called Hide and Seek. And I feel like this one kind of looks a little bit of a light gray, so that's why I'm kind of going in there with this one first to apply it as my transition color. What football team do you guys go for if you guys like football? I don't know why I can't get into football. And I used to be a cheerleader all throughout high school, but I just liked cheerleading. I never knew who to cheer for though. So far, my favorite look that I've done for a football team is my Raiders look. I think that one was really, really pretty.
Why are you wearing that ugly hat?
Because it looks cute on me.
Nah, it needs to go to the trash. Dude, they boo Santa Claus there. Who the hell boos Santa Claus?
I'm going to go into the color After Midnight.
Are you doing a makeup look inspired by the Eagles?
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not, dude. Why? Dude, they suck.
They do not.
Yes, they do. It's a disgrace.
Yeah? Why are they going further in the...
Man, you don't even know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know that I know that the Cowboys are out of the season, right? Out of the playoffs, or
for personal reasons. We felt like we didn't want to be there this year on purpose.
I don't know, but all I'm saying is that they're better than the Cowboys, so.
No, they're not. Why you gotta disrespect me on air like that? It's Cowboy Nation, by the way. Have some respect.
Estúpido. Alright, so yeah, I'm just placing this into the crease area, just blending it out with the previous brush that I used, just to kind of diffuse it and make it visible that the gray is there, you know? I put some concealer in the back of my hand, the same concealer that I mentioned in the beginning, and I'm going to take a flat brush. We're going to be doing a halo. Oh shit, this has water on it. I forgot to use my favorite cut crease brush. I always use this and I couldn't find it until like right now, so. So with this brush, I just like to create the guide like that. Now I'm gonna take this white shimmer from the 40 palette from Wet n Wild. I'm also gonna spray it and just start to pack it onto the lid area. And I really want this white to sparkle just a little bit more, so I'm going to take some of this Pixi glitter, and this one is in the color Crystalline. And I'm just going to be placing this right in that middle part just for that iridescent sparkle. I'm going to go ahead and grab this color right here. And I'm just going to place that right next to that white shade. Like so. To make this really blend, you have to pack it on to the outer area and then just lightly start to blend it into that white. Just like that. Same thing with this part right here. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and go into this color right here. This one is a little bit more of this like teal greenish color. And I'm going to place that right at the outer corner, like so. This color definitely has a lot of fallout right now. Look at that. Okay, so I like how this is looking, but this color is still a little bit darker, so I want to use the color Evergreen, a really, really dark green. So I'm going to play with it very lightly. I'm going to use a Sigma E42 brush. I'm sorry, I haven't been telling you guys what brushes I'm using. I just realized that right now. And I'm just going to be placing this right in here at this outer edge, just to deepen it up a little bit more. This is getting really messy, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean it up. We played with the green, we did some gray, we did some white. I want to play around with some silver glitter, and this one here is from Profusion Cosmetics. This is a eyeliner. I've never played with this before. Hopefully it turns out okay. I'm going to go ahead and apply this at the crease. I'm really not feeling this applicator because it's a little bit too thin and it's not really grabbing any of that product. We just kind of have to build it up a little. Ooh, that's actually looking really nice. Since the eye area is very dark, I kind of want to lighten up my waterline. I'm going to use the Covergirl eyeliner, and this one is in the color Silver Metallic. At my lower lash line, I'm going to go into this color right here. Make sure you tap it out because this one had a lot of fallout. You can do so many things with this palette, but I know everyone has the James Charles palette, so if you have it, you don't need it. But if you never got your hands on the James Charles palette, this is definitely a great alternative. I mean, from what I can see, I've never tried the James Charles palette. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys in case you guys are interested in this palette. All of the makeup details are going to be listed down below in my description box. Now that I've done that, I kind of want to soften up that lower lash line, and I'm going to just take a brown color. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to blend this out so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright you guys, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, some lashes, the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back with you guys to share the finished look with you guys. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I love this look, but the green is a little bit too green. It's not the Philadelphia color green. I don't think I have a palette that has this type of green in it. The blue green that I used is a little bit closer to this, which I wish I dragged that color more inward. This is what we came up with. If you have a similar color to this, I suggest that you replace that with the green that I applied here. I just wanted to transition it into that white really nicely and soft. I love how this glitter looks at the crease. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I hope you do. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this look, and also make sure that you do subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future NFL inspired makeup tutorials. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!